Evening, everybody. Welcome to EnglishB.in, and we are going to make a practice of a preposition worksheet which is based on time. So here what we are looking at is that while discussing on time, we check that their time could be the day, date, some particular hour, the between span between some dates, span between some hours, then a particular season, particular month, particular location. But here location work is not there. This is a preposition based on time. So let's check it out. I'm going to answer the questions over here for you along with some explanations that we need. For example, Ruth met her on Wednesday at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Now look at this. Let me explain. This afternoon is a span of time. So when we are talking of a span of time, we use in. In summer, in June, because these are all span of 30 days, season. So there is in. And exactly at some particular hour, we say at. And a particular weekday, that is on. Flowers usually begin to bloom, we are talking of a month. So what will it be? I was just telling you, it is nothing but in. Again, there is something very beautiful question over here. We had been discussing this thing. Here, somebody immediately he notices that there is a weekday, Wednesday and Saturday. He immediately will say, on Wednesday, on Saturday, we will be on vacation. Now we are talking of vacation, and vacation is between Wednesday and Saturday. So we are not talking about a particular day, rather a span of days between Wednesday and Saturday. So since we are talking of a span, how do we link that it is a span? Because there is a word called vacation. The word leave is about a particular day. But the moment you talk of vacation, vacation is mostly a span. Clear? So here it will be simply from, we just can say, simply it will become from Wednesday to Saturday we will be on vacation, because we are talking of a span. Again, if Sam does not come 6 o'clock, I will leave. So here, if you're talking of 6 o'clock, we are not exactly talking of 6 o'clock. No. We are not talking particularly about the 6 o'clock. We are here talking about, so you have to understand the question. It's a beautiful set of questions where it is very important that you should be able to understand the question before answering. Clear? So what we are talking over here is not exactly 6 o'clock. We are talking of all the time before 6 o'clock. So suppose by 6 o'clock if he doesn't arrive, then I will leave. So the answer simply here will be by. Why so by? Now from 1 p.m. to 6 p.m. within that, if he doesn't come, because we had talked that we will leave at 6. Next, dash 1960 I have traveled Paris dash spring. Here there is two, got overwritten, to Paris location. So this is a year. Year is again like span just like a month. So simply it goes like, in 1960 I traveled to Paris and the season was spring. So in spring. That is not on or something like that. In spring, because this is the season. Next, talk of the next question. Dash Sundays, dash the summer, we like to go to zoo. We are talking of Sundays. That is particularly one particular Sunday or second particular Sunday, third particular Sunday, any Sunday. So Sundays. Then it is summer, because summer mostly is the time where in the winter countries they can go out. So mostly that's why in winter countries the regularly the whole year is very chilly. You cannot go out. In Sundays, in summer, it's comfortable to go outside the house. So we here will be saying, because talking of particular Sunday only, the weekday is Sundays. So it will be on Sundays, any particular Sunday, one Sunday, two Sunday. On Sundays, and since there is a season that is summer, we'll simply go for in summer, not in winter, in summer. If it often gets cool here, dash the evenings, but dash the morning, it becomes quite warm again. So evening, it gets cool. Similarly, the way we had discussed 6 o'clock. So when it is written 6 o'clock, it is exactly not meaning that at particular 6. If it would have been particularly 6, then it would have been at, just like at 4 o'clock. But here it is evening. And here one evening when talking of the evenings, it often gets cool here in the evenings, but by morning, because from the evening till morning, so it is not exactly the morning. So the answer will be, it often gets cool here in the evening, and by morning it becomes quite warm again. So you simply pronounce that again to ask again. Dash any moment it will begin to rain. So it is like the moment is a very particular time. So whenever you talk of a moment, the moment is someone like this could be the moment, this could be the moment. It is never a span. The moment is never a span. So what we do is that at any moment, just like that 4 o'clock at. Because it was exactly at 4 o'clock. So time and it is at. So at any moment, it will begin to rain. I think he will be finished painting dash this evening. I think he will be, or would have actually, he would have finished painting dash this evening. By this evening, because we are talking about maybe I am talking in the day, so by the evening he will be able to complete his, or in that case, by this evening, what I mean to say, by this evening means he has started working in the morning and he will be able to finish by evening. But it could be something like that, in the evening he will complete his, actually he is not working throughout the day. He is only working in the evening. It could be something like that, ये इवनिंग है भाई, और वो कब से काम शुरू किया था ना, दिन से, तो बाय इवनिंग. लेकिन अगर ये एग्जैक्टली इवनिंग में ही काम शुरू किए हैं तो हो सकता है इट इज़ इन द इवनिंग. सो इट कुड बी इन द इवनिंग. क्लियर? सो द आंसर हियर विल बी, आई थिंक ही विल बी फिनिश्ड पेंटिंग, और ही वुड हैव फिनिश्ड पेंटिंग बाय दिस इवनिंग. क्योंकि मैं जनरली अभी सोच रहा हूँ कि वो दिन से काम शुरू किए थे, रात इवनिंग को ख़त्म किए. He listens to the radio dash early morning dash late dash night. He listens to radio in early morning till late at night. He listens to radio in early morning, because the morning is a span. As I was telling, on early morning, at early morning, because at is about a particular time, on is a particular date or day, but span in year, month, and here we are talking of a particular hours, like morning could be like something 5 a.m. till 9 a.m. is the morning, we can say. So he listens to the radio in early morning, maybe 5 a.m., 6 a.m. till late, let's say till 1 p.m. or 9 a.m. at night. Acha. Now here there is another. In early morning till. Acha. In early morning, if there would have been and over here, if there would have been and here, so then it would have been till. Now since here it will come till late at night, मतलब यहाँ तक काम चल रहा है, तो शुरू कब हो रहा है? मॉर्निंग में. सो मॉर्निंग से शुरू होके नाइट तक चल रहा है, तो यहाँ पे इन नहीं आएगा. ओके, सो यहाँ पे इन नहीं आएगा, यहाँ से शुरू हो रहा है, तो दिस विल बिकम सिंस. क्यों? क्योंकि उधर यहाँ से काम शुरू हो चलता है, कहाँ तक? लेट इन द इवनिंग तक चलता है. तो इसीलिए द आंसर फाइनल विल बी ही लिसन्स टू द रेडियो सिंस अर्ली मॉर्निंग टिल लेट एट नाइट. मतलब सुबह से सुनना शुरू करते हैं, रात तक उनका रेडियो चलता रहता है. जैक विल अराइव डैश में 5th डैश नून. So Jack will arrive. We can discuss May is a span. I was talking of a month, year. It is something like this. So Jack will arrive in May. Okay, it is not a particular date or day. So it will be in May because we are talking of a month. Okay, in May. Oh my God, sorry. लुक एट दिस. इन में ओनली होता तो इन होता, लेकिन ये 5th बता दिया गया भाई, डेट बता दिया गया, मतलब 5th मई को आ रहे हैं वो, तो दैट इज अ पर्टिकुलर डे. सो जैक विल अराइव ऑन 5th मई. एंड यहाँ पे सेकेंड केस में यहाँ पे हो सकता है एट नून. मुझे पहले से ही पता है वो 8 में आएंगे, मतलब एग्जैक्टली इतनी नून में ही आएंगे. और बाई नून मतलब वो शुरू करेंगे, लेकिन अर्ली मॉर्निंग को पहुंच सकते हैं, 10 बजे पहुंच सकते हैं, 11 बजे इन द मॉर्निंग पहुंच सकते हैं, या 12 नून तक पहुंच सकते हैं. सो अगर शुरू हो रहा है 9 AM, 10 AM, 11 AM और 12 नून, तो हो जाएगा बाई. लेकिन हमें पता है कि एग्जैक्टली नून में पहुंचेंगे तो एट नून. पर अगेन टू टेक केयर, नून इज नॉट एग्जैक्टली वन पर्टिकुलर टाइम. So here safer work will be by noon, क्योंकि at noon देना एग्जैक्टली मतलब एग्जैक्टली 12 बजे टपकेंगे क्या. सो बेटर सेफर आंसर इज by. Dash my birthday, I want to go to the theater. So simply birthday is a particular date or day, so simply blindly on. Dash winter we usually go skiing, but dash summer I like to swim. So simply seasons, एकदम blindly. In winter I go skiing, in summer I like to swim. Over. He rose dash dawn, but dash 8 o'clock he was still eating breakfast. मतलब वो उठ गया अर्ली मॉर्निंग, मतलब सूरज नहीं उगने से पहले भी जो लाइट आता है उसको बोलते हैं डॉन. बट डैश 8 o'clock ही वॉज स्टिल ईटिंग ब्रेकफास्ट. तो यहाँ पे क्या आंसर आ रहा है ना. ही रोज एट डॉन, बट टिल 8 o'clock in the morning he was still eating breakfast. मतलब सुबह उठ गए डॉन में, एट डॉन और एट द इवनिंग, और इन द इवनिंग इज अ बेटर आंसर. सो इन द डॉन इज बेटर आंसर, किंतु इन द डॉन होगा या एट द डॉन होगा. लेट्स रिजर्व दिस थिंग, हम लोग इसको रिजर्व करके रखते हैं. सो हम बात करेंगे कि एग्जैक्टली ये इन द डन होगा या एट द डन होगा. सो हम स्टार क्वेश्चन मार्क देते हैं हमारे डिस्कशन में जब हम उसको फर्दर कैरी आउट करने वाले हैं. So here it will be in the dawn or at the dawn, but till 8 o'clock he was still eating the breakfast. So we were talking about I will visit you dash Tuesday at 8 o'clock. इस in the dawn और at the dawn हम बात करेंगे. ये एक्चुअली इन होने से भी चलेगा. आई थिंक इन द dawn he woke up but till 8 o'clock he was still eating. इतना जल्दी उठ के भी 8 बजे तक उनका ब्रेकफास्ट नहीं खत्म हो रहा था, चल रहा है. आई विल विजिट यू डैश ट्यूसडे डैश 8 o'clock डैश आफ्टरनून. सो यहाँ पे क्लैरिटी है. आई विल विजिट यू ऑन वेडनेसडे बिकॉज वी आर टॉकिंग पर्टिकुलर डे, एक पर्टिकुलर टाइम at 8 o'clock डैश द आफ्टरनून इन द आफ्टरनून बिकॉज आफ्टरनून आज आई हैड सेड इज अ स्पैन. सो Rath promised to meet us in Athens dash Thursday. So simply on Thursday. रथ हमें प्रॉमिस किया कि वो हमें मिलेगा ऑन थर्सडे. ये तो पर्टिकुलर डेट के बारे में बात हो रहा है भाई. आई टोल्ड डेविड टू मीट अस डैश 4 o'clock डैश आफ्टरनून. आई टोल्ड डेविड टू मीट अस एट 4 o'clock क्योंकि हमें पर्टिकुलर टाइम दे दिया इन द आफ्टरनून. Between lessons we have short break but dash Mondays the break lasts dash 9:15 dash 10 o'clock. So सिंपली बात है, हम यहाँ पे एक स्पैन पहले भी देखे हैं. यहाँ से लेकर वहाँ तक ये हमारा क्वेश्चन नंबर एक वैकेशन वाली जगह पे था एंड दूसरा हमारा टील था, ये रेडियो था. मॉर्निंग से शुरू हो रहा है इवनिंग तक. उसी तरह से हमारे जो लेसन के शॉर्ट ब्रेक होता है वो तो होता ही है, पर मंडे के समय पे जो लेसन का ब्रेक होता है वो यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक होता है. तो दैट विल बी ऑन मंडेज पर्टिकुलरली. क्या हो रहा है ना, द ब्रेक लास्ट फ्रॉम यहाँ से लेके 9:15 till 10 o'clock. ओके, वी कैन से लाइक दैट. यहाँ पे सिंस कब होता है ना, जब वी आर ऑलरेडी टॉकिंग अबाउट अ पास्ट. हम पास्ट के बारे में नहीं बात करें अभी. तो सिंस कहाँ होता है ना, अगर होता कि लास्ट मंडे द ब्रेक वाज सिंस 9:15 AM till 10 o'clock, लेकिन यहाँ पे अभी नहीं है. Now it is known that the life of the Eskimos is harder dash winter than summer. So it is known that the life of the Eskimos is harder. winter एक season है, so in than summer is a season, so simply in. Over. We usually go swimming dash summer dash winter. एक ऊपर ऐसा वाला चीज़ था, हम बात कर रहे हैं सीजन की. We usually go swimming और एक चीज़ मार्क करने वाला है कि एंड है. सो we usually go swimming in summer and in winter we like to ski. दो अलग अलग सीजन की बात हो रहा है. So everybody practice this preposition worksheet on time and you can have a cross questions. हम लोगों ने जब लाइव डिस्कस कर रहे थे इसके ऊपर हमने बहुत सारा क्रॉस क्वेश्चंस ले लिए थे. जैसे इसके 4 फॉर्मेट ऑलरेडी ले लिए थे, और पास्ट होने पर फॉर्म की जगह सीन्स होगा वो. फ्यूचर की बात होने पर क्या रहेगा, येट एक प्रीपोजिशन है, येट ही हैज़ नॉट अराइव्ड. तो जो येट कहाँ यूज होता है वो भी एक चीज़ है. सो हम लोग क्या करते हैं, इस चीज़ को फिर से दोबारा कभी डिस्कस करते हैं. थैंक यू ऑल फ्रॉम इंग्लिश भी. दिस इज जित सर.